scooteraboutt.com here. So today we got these nice seat covers that I want to show you guys. It's actually become pretty useful and pretty handy when you're doing like a long trip, or maybe you use your scooter to commute to work or something. And you know, after you spend some time riding this bike, you're gonna notice you're gonna start sweating. You know, mostly here in Florida, when it's like really hot in summer, it's something that it becomes really comfortable, really useful, and something pretty nice to have on your bike. And this one is not more like for more comfort at all. This is more like for breathing. They have like a nice pattern. It's like something like it's like kind of thick, you know, and it's like a nice cushion, but it's not something that is gonna make you feel more comfortable. But I have used it and it does actually make a difference. Like, it makes a big difference. I highly recommend this if you're struggling with that issue. You know, it depends where you live. Like, if you're in a cold area, you don't really experience that much, and when it gets cold here in Florida, I don't really use it that much. But something that I did really notice is that using this cover on a leather seat, on something that is more delicate or something that is not as rough as these vinyl seats or something like that, or different type of fabric, this is gonna leave a mark on your leather for some time. It's gonna go away. I remember when I started using it on my GTV, it was really nice, but once I remove it, it actually also accumulate a lot of dust like underneath. So I will recommend, like, if you're gonna be using this for a long time, I'll recommend removing it like at least once a week or every time you wash the bike, just to like clean it up. It's actually pretty easy to clean. I think you could just rinse it with water. It's actually like not rain proof. It's not gonna like make your seat dry. It's not like a cover to protect it from the weather, but it does actually protect them from, you know, UV rays. And you know, if you let your bike sitting at the sun or something, it does actually help to keep your seat a little bit more safer than it will be, you know, completely exposed. Mostly all Vespas come with a rain cover included on the seat underneath, but there are some other types that are like higher quality that reflects more the sun. But these ones are more like for riding, you know, like not as much as comfort, but mostly for that issue of, you know, getting your a little wet while you're riding. For example, the one from the GTV, since it's slightly larger and it's divided by two seats, it doesn't really fit the whole thing. So I was just using it like on the one in front, and I have to, you know, fold like half of the cover in the inside, but it actually works. You know, you can actually make it fit pretty nicely to the shape of your seat. It's actually pretty easy to install. You got some Velcro here in the inside. You got 3 Velcro, and that's it. You pretty much like remove it, and that's it. You can just like fold it and storage if you want, and that's it. And as you can see, we also got like different colors. I got this one, this camel design. As simple as that, you can install this nice cover. You can just like swap it in if you're going for a quick ride or something, and it actually looks really nice. We have different colors, different designs. You can check them out at thescooteraboutt.com. I actually really like the black one, you know, way better. As simple as that. So I really like it. I have enjoyed it a lot because it makes my dry the whole time, and I'm not like going through places with my whole wet, you know. But well, make sure you check down the description below for all the links. Click that like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more great content, and share with your friends. See you on the next one. Thank you. Peace.